What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your bank account to your Revolut account so you can see the display balance of both accounts in your dashboard right here. So let's get started. Now first off, to connect your bank account or any other financial institution account to your Revolut account, you would just need to tap on accounts right here. Then just go ahead and tap on add new at the bottom of the screen. And right here, once you're on the all accounts section, you would be able to just scroll down and tap on linked accounts right here. Now under this option, you would be able to see all the banks that are available for the Revolut connection. So these are most of the banks in Europe. And you also have Wise right here, which is a money transfer service, but you can also request that they add your bank if it's not on the list. But essentially, you would just need to tap on your bank. So I will tap on UniCredit right here. Then you would need to confirm if this is the correct country in which your bank account is located in. So I will just confirm it by tapping yes. Then here are some permissions that you would need to allow to Revolut so that they can see your account information or your account balance on your bank account. So by just scrolling down to the bottom, you would be able to load a confirm button. But I would recommend that you first read all this data right here and decide if you would like to give Revolut permission to see all this. So once you scroll down, just go ahead and tap on confirm to continue, and then they will send a request to your bank for a connection of those two accounts. Now after tapping on that, a new page will load of your bank account or your bank website on which you would need to confirm your identity. So right here, depending on your bank, this can be different. But essentially, if you have UniCredit Bank, you would just need to scroll down and then input the information that you can find in your mobile banking app. After that, you would just need to log in and the accounts will be connected. So essentially guys, that's how you can connect both your bank account and Revolut account into one display right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.